Are you ready to embark on a journey of endless woodworking projects? Introducing Ted's Woodworking, your ultimate resource with access to a whopping 16,000 plans. Whether you're a novice looking to hone your skills or a seasoned pro seeking new challenges, these easy-to-follow guides cater to all skill levels. From small crafts to grand furniture, there's something for everyone. Unlock your creativity and bring your ideas to life with precision and expertise. But wait, there's more. With Ted's Woodworking, you're not just getting plans, you're gaining access to a world of inspiration. Say goodbye to material wastage with detailed lists and stay ahead of the curve with new monthly additions and custom requests. Here's the exciting part. You can dive into the world of woodworking today without spending a dime. Simply show your support by liking this video and commenting instructions to unlock free access to all 16,000 plans.